I ignored the guidebooks and found the real Luxembourg. Ask anyone about Luxembourg, and they'll probably mention two things: banks and bureaucracy. The guidebooks will point you right here to the polished city center, a postcard-perfect world of finance and EU institutions. But I had a feeling they were missing the real story. So I tossed the guidebook aside and went looking for the real Luxembourg. What I found was a country of quiet valleys, dramatic forests, and stories buried right under your feet. A place that completely blew my expectations away. My mission was simple: dodge the stereotypes and find the authentic heart of this tiny nation. I'd heard whispers that just beyond the glass towers there was a wilder, more ancient Luxembourg waiting. A place of deep nature and hidden history. So I grabbed my camera, laced up my hiking boots, and used the country's completely free public transport to see if the rumors were true. My first stop wasn't a palace, but a journey down into the city's fairy tale-like lower town. The village within the city. Most tourists stay up on the main plateau, looking down, but the secret is to go down with them. I took the public lift deep into the valley to the Grund district, one of the city's oldest neighborhoods. Walking here feels like stepping into another time. It's a peaceful, almost traffic-free village of cobblestone streets and old stone houses, all nestled along the Alzette River. Instead of looking at the fortress from a distance, here you are in it, walking at the base of the massive cliffs and ancient walls. And tucked away down here is the Neumünster Abbey. For centuries, this historic building has been a monastery, a military hospital, and even a state prison. Now it's a vibrant cultural center, a place where history feels alive and still part of the city's daily life. It's a side of the capital most visitors never see. Luxembourg's Little Switzerland. After exploring the city's hidden valley, I headed northeast to a region that sounds like it belongs in another country, Luxembourg's Little Switzerland. This is the Mullerthal region, and it's a paradise for hikers. I picked the Bergdorf B2 Trail, a short but absolutely spectacular loop that winds through some of the most fantastical landscapes I've ever seen. The trail plunges you into a world of towering sandstone gorges, moss-covered cliffs, and forests that feel ancient and untouched. You squeeze through narrow rock passages, climb wooden ladders through crevices, and discover viewpoints that pop out of nowhere. It's easy to see why they call it Little Switzerland. The beauty here is immense, yet it feels so intimate and accessible. It's the kind of place that reminds you just how much raw, natural wonder can be packed into a small country, the wild heart of the Ardennes. For my final stop, I journeyed north into the rugged Ardennes to the Upper Sûre Nature Park, a world away from the city's bustle. I took on the Condorf Loop, a trail that delivered some of the most stunning panoramic views of the entire trip. The path climbs high onto ridges overlooking the vast, serene Upper Sûre Reservoir, its deep blue water a stark contrast to the brilliant autumn forests. This region feels truly wild. The air is crisp, the forests are dense, and the only sound is the wind in the trees. This area is also steeped in the history of World War II, as the Battle of the Bulge ravaged much of this landscape. The Condorf Trail itself even passes by a restored bunker where Luxembourgers hid to escape conscription. It adds a profound layer of history to the untamed nature. It felt like I had the whole park to myself, a quiet adventure into the powerful soul of Luxembourg. So, is Luxembourg just a country of banks and politics? Not even close. I came here looking for the real Luxembourg, and I found it. I found it on the quiet cobblestone streets of the Grund, in the magical rock forests of the Mullerthal, and in the wide-open wilderness of the Ardennes. It's a country built for adventure, with a deep history and a breathtaking natural beauty you won't see from a boardroom window. You just have to be willing to look past the obvious and discover it for yourself. And the best part? It's all just a free bus or train ride away. My journey proves that there are incredible hidden gems waiting in every corner of the world, even in the places you least expect. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more videos that challenge travel cliches, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Let me know in the comments which one of these spots you'd want to visit first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.